technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Rahul Gandhi's Congress, because it appears to be finding itself increasingly at the odds with its voter Adhikar Yatra. Now we are talking about RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. Days after Tejasvi was snubbed by the Congress and declared that he will contest all 243 seats in Bihar, Congress seems to be now complaining that it has been denied a fair share in seats and power in the state of Tamil Nadu. Now a senior Congress leader, K.S. Alakadi, has said that the party will now seek to contest on more seats in the state of Tamil Nadu when elections are held next year, asserting that Congress will not compromise on its right for the sake of its alliance with the DMK. He's also stated that the Congress would be a part of the government in Tamil Nadu too. Remember, the Congress is part of the DMK-led ruling alliance in Tamil Nadu, but it is not part of the state cabinet. Let's listen in to K.S. Alakadi.
நாங்க கேட்போம். நாங்க சிதம்பரம் தொகுதி மட்டுமல்ல, நாங்க நிறைய தொகுதிகளை கேட்பது என்று முடிவு செய்திருக்கிறோம். வெறும் தொகுதிகளை கேட்பது மட்டுமல்ல, எங்களுடைய சட்டமன்ற காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி தலைவர் உங்களுக்கு ராஜேஷ் அவர்கள் தெளிவாக சொல்லியிருக்கிறார். நாங்க அதிக இடங்களிலும் போட்டியிட விரும்புகிறோம். அரசாங்கத்தில் நாங்க பங்கு பெறவும் விரும்புகிறோம் என்று எங்களுடைய தலைவர் ராஜேஷ் அவர்கள் சொல்லியிருக்கிறார்கள். அது சரியான கருத்து. 50 ஆண்டு காலமாக 60 ஆண்டு காலமாக காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி ஏதாவது ஒரு அரசியல் இயக்கத்தோடு கூட்டு சேர்ந்து நீங்கள் சாறை அவர்கள் குடிப்பதற்கும் சக்கையை நாங்கள் பார்ப்பதுமாக ஒரு சூழ்நிலை நிலவுகிறது. அந்த நிலையை மாற்றி நாங்கள் வெற்றி பெறுகிற அரசாங்கத்தில் எங்களுக்கும் பங்கு வேண்டும் என்கின்ற கேட்கிற நிலைக்கு நாங்கள் வருவோம். ஆனால் இன்னொன்று, எங்களுடைய கூட்டணி என்பது திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழக தலைமையில் இருக்கிற இந்த இந்தியா கூட்டணியில் தான் நாங்கள் இருப்போம். ஏன்னு சொன்னால், இன்றைக்கு பாரதிய ஜனதா RSS போன்ற நச்சு பாம்புகளை அழிப்பதற்கான கூட்டணி இதுதான். எனவே அந்த காரணத்திற்காக மட்டுமே எங்களுடைய உரிமைகளை நாங்கள் இழந்து விட மாட்டோம். நாங்கள் கடமையை செய்கிற நேரத்தில் உரிமையும் நாங்கள் கேட்போம். கடமையும் செய்யணும், கடமை தவற மாட்டோம். ஆனால் எங்களுடைய உரிமைகளை நாங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக கேட்போம். எங்களுடைய சட்டமன்ற காங்கிரஸ் தலைவர் ராஜேஷ் அவர்கள் அதைத்தான் சொல்லி இருக்கிறார்.
Meanwhile, a senior Congress leader has expressed displeasure over the treatment meted out to the party from allied DMK. The BJP, however, was quick to notice and jump in and to mock the two parties over the seat tussle, dubbing the partnership between the two allies as partners of convenience and calling it as an illegal affair. The BJP is now contended that the Congress has no option but to ally with the DMK as it has lost its relevance in Tamil Nadu and has been rejected by regional political parties.
The Congress has probably turned to be the most anti-national party over the last couple of decades. They've done no good for the nation, and that's why they've been very majorly rejected across states of the country. Today they have no other choice but to be clinging on to some political organization, some political party with an absolutely opposite ideology. Ideologies don't matter for the DMK or the Congress anymore, especially between these two in Tamil Nadu. I've been reiterating that it's almost like an illegal affair. The Congress has at several occasions given up on its self-esteem. The DMK does not treat them as an equal. The DMK demeans them, and it's always been the case.
Well, this seems that the Congress is not only battle that it is facing in the state of Tamil Nadu, similar on the lines of battlefield Bihar that is also being witnessed from its own ally, which is the RJD. Tejasvi Yadav, hinting just a few days ago, was seen as a snub to Rahul and signaled apparent differences between the RJD and the Congress in Bihar.
तेजस्वी चुनाव लड़ने का काम करेगा। आप सब लोगों से अपील है कि तेजस्वी को देख करके वोट दीजिए।
Well, Dhardni is connected with us. Dhardni, good morning. It's been now, as far as the time is now concerned, for seat tussle that remains the most, pointed question. DMK allies, there is Congress, there is VCK, there is CPIM. They want more seats, saying that it was increasing their presence and pressure on the DMK rather than to weaken their alliance.
since 1967, be it the DMK or the ADMK, they have not shared the government with any of the alliance partners. Many alliance partners, they'll be there in the alliance, but when it comes to the government, the share of governance has never happened since 1967, irrespective of whether the DMK is in power or the ADMK is in power. But this time, the key ally of the DMK party in Tamil Nadu, Congress, seems to be demanding a share in governance in case of their alliance comes to power in 2026. Senior Congress leader K.S. Alagiri, who is also the former Congress state president here in Tamil Nadu, he says that this time they're going to demand more seats from the DMK and they will also want to share in power. And he makes a very pertinent point. He says that for the past 50-60 years, Congress has been part of several alliances in Tamil Nadu, but every time the dominant political party in that particular alliance, they take away the juice and the Congress is left with only the remains. So this situation cannot continue, and this situation will not be allowed to be continued, is what he says. And he says that this time the Congress is going to demand more seats from the DMK, and they're also going to demand a share in governance. They want to be part of the cabinet.
So waiting for a DMK response on this, whether they will accept the demands of their alliance for more seat share and seat share and a greater access to the power when it comes to the state cabinet, where there are no representatives currently as far as the Tamil Nadu state cabinet is concerned. For the moment, Dharani, thank you very much for joining in. We